Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. This is part 8 in turbo install build on the E39. This is my 525i from 2001 and I'm going to build a turbo kit to boost his power, of course. I've started this episode with the back of the car because I already worked something and I forgot that I didn't have any intro. So yeah, I cannot show you directly the front of the car, or you can skip directly to the end of this video and see the progress, but don't do that. Just stay here with me and we'll go through this together. So yeah, in this episode we are going to put everything together. I received the last parts. I hope this time these are the last parts that I need to finish this build at this stage, I mean. So we have to put the bumper on, the headlights, we have to change a oil leaky gasket that I had in the previous episode, and I think that's about it. Maybe if everything goes rapidly, if everything goes not slow, I'm searching for the term but I don't have it now. Anyway, if everything goes smooth, maybe we can drive the car on the street. If not, I hope we succeed. Just the bumper, headlights, gasket, intercooler, brackets, we have a lot to do, so let's begin. Back in the garage, as you can see, I received the last parts, some connectors. I received the new gasket. I had to buy a complete set because I didn't found just this one, so I have a new set now. I'm gonna start with that one. And for you perverts out there, I received this hose. It's gonna replicate the pipe, but it's way flexible, and it has 1 meter long, and I can cut the ends and the front of this hose, and it's gonna fit perfectly there, and we can put the intercooler in the right position, and the car, we can button up the car completely and drive it on the street, hopefully on this episode. The oil feeding line is installed, and the new gasket, as you can see in here. I've wiped everything and I can follow if I have any leak. Note that the intercooler is out. I want to replace this with this. It's just one piece. I don't have any breaking points, so I'm gonna try to fit this in here. It is done. So the exit from the turbo, 90-degree bend. It came in here. I have a connector between these two hoses, and as you can see, the new hose goes right in the front of the car. So this is the view from top. The hose runs exactly where I want it to go. So between the AC compressor and the frame, yep, it is a little bit squeezed in there, but it's a hose and it's no problem at all. And like I've said, this hose will be good for a 10 bar. So I'm running at most 1 bar, and I have the reductions side part in here, and this will be bent like this, and directly into the intercooler. So now I have to make a frame for the intercooler, and that's it. It is done. So straight, leveled, brackets are done, screws are in. I had to make this thing here because of this hose, because it's very tensioned, and it had too much space underneath. So now, as you can see in here, we have the same distance here down and up as well, and it is more than enough that air could flow through all the radiators. So that's done. Now it's time to put the bumper. There you have it, guys. The car is ready. We have headlights, we have bumper. I just have to install the parking sensor, and pretty much that's about it. Not quite, because I removed the first part of the exhaust. I need to weld the O2 sensor. I have two for two banks, 3 cylinders. Each 3 cylinders have a O2 sensor. It might be a mistake that I've welded the O2 sensor on the turbo manifold, because after the tune I think these two ones will be deleted, but we are going to use the second ones, and this one can remain in here, no problem. So I think that's about it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you enjoyed this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.